Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you easy Okinawan sweet potato ohagi. Place the mochi rice in a bowl and add in enough water to cover the rice completely and allow to soak for 30 minutes. Drain the mochi rice and place it in a rice cooker with the calrose rice and water, then cook. When the rice is cooked, fold in the sugar, making sure to mix well. Allow the mixture to cool for 5 minutes. Divide into 8 equal portions and form each portion into a round ball. Place the sweet potato in a bowl. Add in the tsubushi and lightly mix just until combined. Divide the sweet potato mixture into 8 portions. Place each portion on a piece of saran wrap and flatten to a 1/4 inch thick disc. Place a round rice ball in the center of each disc and pull the edges of the sweet potato disc upward. Pinch the edges together to form a ball and serve at room temperature. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.